Hello. This is the Awful and Awesome Entertainment Wrap, episode 404. This is Rajesh Sen.
And this is Abhinandan Sekhri, bringing you the last Awful and Awesome of February, which also is the birthday month for News Laundry, NL at 14, for which we have made this wonderful video. Please see it first.
Ad-free? You must be joking.
Indians won't pay for news.
Boss, you won't even survive 1 year.
You'll fail.
No one will back you.
More than 50,000 articles published on the website. But I did not build News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
And I built News Laundry.
8,000 से ज़्यादा वीडियो YouTube पर पब्लिश हो चुके हैं. But I didn't build News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
I also built News Laundry.
About 2.6 million subscribers on YouTube, but I didn't build News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
And I built News Laundry.
85. That's the number of income tax notices we have dealt with. But I didn't build News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
I built News Laundry.
And I built News Laundry.
14 years of being independent. 0 ads. Yet, never bowing down to power. But I didn't build News Laundry. You did.
I built News Laundry.
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 So now that you've seen the video, those of you who are in it, many of our subscribers sent us videos. Some of you wanted to, but your routine just could not allow you to. Some of you are too shy, too camera shy. But thank you, those of you who did. This is the month when you can, do the last bits of happy birthday, subscribe to News Laundry, share this with your friends and family, this on our WhatsApp groups. But please do scan this QR code. Tell people who aren't subscribers yet to scan this QR code. And let's build a bigger, better, even more effective News Laundry. And you and I have to do it together. And we'll also take Rajshri along.
I thought you were saying this is the birthday month of Rajeshri.
Oh, it's your birthday also.
That's what I thought, but he wasn't saying.
She had a lovely lunch party. Where I ate a lot.
Lunch party.
Thank you, Rajshri. It's also Rajshri's birthday month,
That's
actually.
okay.
Rajshri's birthday is the 15th of
That's
Feb.
incorrect.
16th of Feb. 2 days after Valentine's Day.
Yeah. But it's good that after so many decades almost, you still got the date wrong.
I got it right.
If I'm 15, 16, 17, like that, so at one point you'll hit the correct date only, no? It's not something to be proud of.
When is my birthday?
16th, but you started with 15th.
When is my birthday?
See, yours is on 4th of August.
You keep making numbers up, then you'll get it. You also got on the second try.
Teach. No, I was talking about myself as usual on the first try. That's a normal thing.
You can wish Rajshri, please send us email, podcast@newslaundry.com.
Send a cake, send money.
No, don't send cake or money, subscribe.
Subscribe and send a cake. You can do both. This is something I've explained to people. It never has to be either or. You can do 2 things at the same time.
And we have a new Sena project. And this is being anchored. This is going to be written by my boss when I actually joined Newstrack in 1995, Alpana Kishore. She is going to be writing about bulldozers in Kashi. She also wrote those really amazing, well-researched, hard-hitting pieces. And what she predicted has come true. This entire Central Vista, they said, is public land.
Yeah.
Try to hang around on those lawns.
Also, she did some very nice interviews for us.
Yes. So this project is on how Banaras is being quietly remade in the name of Vikas. Old neighborhoods are being flattened. Grief is brushed aside as cost of development. And faith is now a logistics problem. This is from the party of faith. This is the PM seat, but is he listening to the average Banaraswasi, or as we say, Banarsi? Scan the QR code, click on the link, help us do really robust, in-depth reports, and they take time, energy, effort by really senior journalists who have experience. Do contribute, link, QR code is there. Those are announcements for the day, Rajshri Sen. Now tell us, what are we doing?
First, we are going to talk about the headlines for the week.
But before that, we are going to be telling you, we'll be reviewing Kohra. And I
Two.
have a lot to say. Kohra Part 2, Season 2. Reality check inside America's Next Top Model. 79 British Academy Awards. Film BAFTA, whatever. Sean Penn. We'll see if we can talk about all that. But
We will honorable mention to Sean Penn. I
But
have to
first
do.
headlines.
So, America's Next Top Model used to be this reality show which had 25 seasons. It was that successful. And it started way back.
Oh, so that's what the documentary is about.
So, the documentary is about and it was started by Tyra Banks. You know who Tyra
Yeah,
Banks is?
I remember this show also. And
Yeah.
She was like the new Naomi.
She was like the new Naomi. And she was at that point, like Naomi was that one black supermodel. There was Iman who was there. And
But in Tyra Banks, there was Christy Turlington.
yeah, they were.
Cindy Crawford.
Cindy
Hamari Cindy.
Hamari Cindy, who's made it to Hindi films without knowing she was in Aval number.
Yeah.
A
As
picture as a dead wife.
Devanand's wife.
But the show, so America's Next Top Model was at that turn of when reality TV wasn't really so big. She had these 3 very well-known judges who were there. And even that was very big because 2 of the judges were gay men. And to give them that kind of platform when it was not acceptable. Like even they talk about the fact that we were not given public acknowledgement. Of course, we were part of the fashion industry, but we weren't given. And there was one photographer. And many women went through this America's Next Top
Men
Model.
also?
Last 2 seasons she had men when they were, like when the...
This is a one-sitting documentary.
No, there are 3 episodes.
And you watched all 3.
I watched because I'm very dedicated. I
Okay.
came back and I watched 3
So it
episodes.
sounds trashy.
No, but the behind the scenes.
I've come to the show having watched all 6 episodes of Kohra Season 2.
Please send some trophies for Abhinandan. This
Speaking
is the
of
first
trophies, who recommended this show?
time. Me.
Don't take credit.
I did.
Priyali did, the producer. If you
No.
recommend, you'll get a good Diwali bonus.
Even me.
If it was a subscriber who recommended
I also
it,
shut up, you liar.
don't start shouting. If it was a subscriber recommended, whoever subscriber
No.
recommended it, give them a free subscription of 5 years.
I have proof. WhatsApp.
And if she
We
recommended,
will-
give her an extra
yeah.
helping of chawal.
Nothing.
Bhat,
Rajesh
dal
has
bhat.
nothing. It is
No, I'll give you extra.
2 weeks back.
Next time
I
you come
wrote.
for lunch, order rice for.
I only
one-
bring the lunch when I come.
But I'll get
But
rice.
you will give rice.
to you.
Even though I'll have brought
Because
biryani.
Rajshri, I very rarely make these expletive is a gali.
Expletive is a...
What's that
I'm
word
waiting
that
to
if you
hear.
make if you say something that is like an extreme statement, it is like a superlative. I don't talk in superlatives usually, but I don't think I have enjoyed a show so much in the last 2 years. I was so satisfied. I was so. Although it like kind of makes you depressed also because some of it is so
but
sad.
it's still...
But it is so satisfying.
So
I
say-
don't think there has ever been a show that I have watched or a film.
First Kora,
Where-
Kora season 1 you had liked? Entire setting and the feel of the place. They get so, like, it is perfect. You really feel like you're
Yeah.
sunk into this little town in Punjab.
The world they create is
Yeah.
perfect.
And again, the casting was, all the actors were excellent. Whether it was that guy who's the dance teacher, who's
Yeah.
on the run,
Yeah.
even that last chap,
that boy who's the Jharkhand labor boy.
Yeah.
My, what an actor, yeah.
very good.
What an actor. Damn.
Yeah, and I felt so the whodunit, the part which did not work for me, I'll say first, is that I felt that they solved the crime it was a bit of a cop-out because if you haven't watched it, you'll get why I'm saying it. But basically, I felt like it was a very convenient way of wrapping up who has done who has committed. So even the first one, there's a murder. Even in this, there's a murder. It's a pretty gruesome murder that you see. But the relationships that they show between the various characters who are, like, there are families in this, and the relationships between husband and wife, various husbands and wives, actually. The brother and the sister, all of them are so well etched and so real. Like, there's nothing which is out of place absolutely. And even the relationship between Barun Sobti and
The pacing of the show for me is perfect. It's not too slow, it's not too fast, with too many things tuck happening. It's just right. It's fantastic acting, by Mona. But as the protagonist around who everything creates, after, Vicky in season 1, I didn't think she was that league. But yet she was, I think, good. The wife, which is Muskan Arora. Wow.
Yeah.
What a performance.
Pinky.
She's so
Is her name
authentic.
Pinky? Silky.
I mean, I think I'm a little partial towards things said in Punjab. Especially
Because your Northeast are like that only.
So, but, and also, if anyone who makes films, shows, etc. is listening, if you guys can just make sure Barun Sobti is in as many films, shows as possible. He is so
He
good.
is very good.
In season 1, he was so good. In season 2, he's even better. What a gifted actor. Like, and why don't we see more of these guys? I've just seen him in this, like, otherwise they're fucking shit. We see like this Bhuzinder or whatever, the bloody Dhurandhar we saw, and it's Kalandar and Chalandar.
You just didn't like those
trash.
Pakistani actors. I like them.
So, the boy who acted as a Jharkhand laborer was so good.
Vijay Dinanath Chauhan has written one of the main reasons I was eager to have
Not his real name, I'm
Yeah,
guessing.
to have your review. Maybe it's his real name.
Okay.
Oh, okay. To have your review of Dhurandhar was to know whether the quality of our propaganda movies have improved or not.
Well, it's production values wise, yeah, it is.
Not bad.
Its production values are very
And his hair.
expensive.
During Kashmir Files debates, Mr. Abhinandan was sad about the low quality of our propaganda.
But in all fairness, my friend Vivek did not have Dhurandhar kind of budget. Otherwise, I'm sure he could have done a better job.
No, I do not sure he
I
could have
think he
done
could
a
have.
better job.
Don't be mean
And
to
you
Vivek.
should watch Hot Chocolate. Chocolate? Hot Chocolate. What is it? Chocolate?
Just chocolate.
It's on the
It's just-
Indrani.
the film is just called Chocolate.
Chocolate because it
but
makes it
because
hot.
It is so
Hot. So it is on the Indrani Mukherjee alleged murder of her daughter, who's actually in Guwahati, but for some
don't know.
reason is not showing her face. But that was Vivek Agnihotri made it. It's like In Cold Blood. Truman Capote did In Cold Blood. Vivek Agnihotri made
chocolate. Very nice.
Mahima Chaudhary plays Indrani Mukherjee. So was there any improvement? Dhurandhar is my first film from the Naya Bharat.
Improvement.
Bollywood.
Its messaging is much better and slightly
Yeah.
slimy.
So I cannot compare to gauge if in terms of quality we are in the right direction. After all, these are our people and this is the cinema that represents us.
Correct.
Thank you. These are not our people. These
They
are
are
people who live in this country. Okay?
I've just started rereading because I read it last when I was probably in my
The
late
Bible.
teens or early 20s.
What? Sorry.
The Bible.
I have read the Bible. I studied the Bible.
Congratulations.
Old and New Testament.
Jesus Bengali. But like,
They're Bengali
what
Christians,
a pointless boast. I've just started rereading Wuthering Heights.
Will you watch the film? It'll
wanna
come on
finish,
Netflix.
Yeah, I want to finish reading it because I've
But
read
it's
so
not
much
like
of the film.
the book.
But the thing is, I've forgotten the book. You remember it?
Yes, because
You read it last week.
I read it when I was 14, then I read it when I was 22. What a fat cat has walked by. When my idea of the perfect man is from the flawed.
Heathcliff.
I love Heathcliff. I just think he is, which is why
That means you're a witch.
Yeah,
if that's
which
your
is
perfect
why
man.
I also thought Red Butler.
Today's Punjabi song is dedicated to you, by the way. FYI.
Is it by Karan Aujla?
No.
Okay. So my perfect men are Ralph D. Bricassat from the Thornbirds, who was a priest who had sex. Then Clark Gable, Rhett Butler, and Heathcliff.
There
are my
was
perfect men.
another really beautiful film that was made about this couple that is obsessed with erotic cinema. It's called The Porn Birds. High five! High five! You have five for good joke?
No, very bad.
Ek baar
Oh,
main
I
commitment
want to
din.
do a special mention of this. I
Salman
hope
Khan.
these ANI people now, they have tweeted that Salman Khan's father, what Salim Khan, is in...
was in ICU or something.
Yeah. ANI has tweeted, actor Salman Khan's mother, Sushila Charak, visited Leelavati Hospital his mother might have been Hindu. She then converted.
Is she? I don't know.
I didn't even know this. Why would you not write Salma Khan? Because you are being slimy for whatever cheap
Her name is
kick you
Sushila
got.
Charak.
Only they have found out. They and that Smita, whatever her name is, this thing. How low, yeah. Just like, it's a random tweet with a video. And I thought, who is this? Thought maybe some random woman. But it's, y'all are really quite pathetic people at ANI. Really.
Right.
But
Rachi Sen.
when you finish reading Wuthering Heights,
Hmm.
if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I will clarify your doubts about the novel.
I have a question now.
No, you can't be rude. You can't be. Say something which is not rude to me.
I have a soft, what's it called, paperback. Is there a hardback which I can hit on someone's head? Someone in this room right now.
Don't
Do you have a
say about
hardback?
Priyali. Why are you talking like that about
Do you have like a hard, like, it would be good if it's made of
I
like
have
brick.
a hardback.
If it's made of brick.
I have a strong
Do you have a
spine.
Wuthering Height copy made of brick?
I'll give you on your head, no? You'll understand Wuthering Heights. I'm very concerned about this. Anyway, please go and watch. Why don't you all watch? Someone watch Kerala Story 2. Kerala Story 2? Even that is 2. Kerala Story 2 and send us a 100-word review.
Right.
Because I
Will not watch
it will come on Netflix.
I don't know when. जट समया तिलंगे चढ़ेल टकरी
I hope you get caught by a churel.
टकरी ये कहंदी जट्टा
Thank you, Mr. Sekri.
जट्टा ओ कहंदी जट्टा में
Stop
डर
it.
के हो जा कट्ठा. Journalism at News Laundry is powered by the public because when the public pays, the public is served. Visit newslaundry.com/subscription and pick a payment plan of your choice. Pay to keep news free and independent. Your future, and indeed the future of democracy, depends on it.